This is Nathaniel Oxford with a tutorial for Pirates Parade, the bass part on string bass. So, the notes you're going to need in first position are C. Well, this is actually half position. So first position's here, half position's here. So C is fourth finger on the A string, D is open D, E flat is first finger on the D string, F is fourth finger on the D string, G is open G, A flat is first finger on the G string. So we're only using 1, 4, and open. And we're playing the C on the A string, and then we're playing D, E flat, and F on the D string, and G and A flat on the G string. Those are the only notes we need. So, beginning goes like this: C, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, D, F, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, D, F, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C. Okay, I'm going to pluck it, and then I'll bow it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. C, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, D, F, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, D, F, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C. All right, let's do it with a bow. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. C. All right. At letter A, you've got C, E flat, G in the first measure, D, F, A flat in the second measure, and that does a little G, C, E flat, G, F, E flat, D, C. All right, let's see how this is going to go. 1, 2, 3, go. C, E flat, G. And then B, letter B is the exact same thing. And then letter C, we've got C, E flat, G, C, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C. E flat, G, C, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C. Now, again, notice that my fingers are flying up here. You'll want to keep your fingers right over the strings. But it's easier to see in a video if I lift my fingers really high. Don't lift your fingers really high. All right, here's letter C. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. G, C, E flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, C flat, G, C, A flat. Letter D is just the same as letter A. Nope, letter D is the same as the beginning. Letter E is the same as letter A, which is also the same as letter B, which is almost exactly the same as letter F. The difference at letter F is it has that big finish with the half notes. So just elongate those notes, and then you're good through to the end. Let's go ahead and play F through the end. Maybe you could do this with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah, and for those last two notes, down bow, and then reset your bow, down bow again. All right, have fun with it.